Hello, welcome to my house and welcome to my channel. I'm Laura Cepeda and today I have a super idea and super easy to make for these coming holidays. I know that in the US this celebration is huge. Everybody wants to celebrate it. So I want to show you this idea that you can make with all your family or you can make to sell. I think that this idea is unique and perfect. So I will show you how you can make these scrunchies with the color of the flag of US, but you can make it with the colors that you want or with the colors of your flag. Here during the video I will show you. And you see how it looks from behind, but well, I will give you all my secrets and tips and also the step by step. So let's start right away. Well, with one thread and with our hook, we are going to start making this scrunchie. Here is the material list. We are going to use 3 different colors to simulate the colors of the flag of US. Blue, white and red, but remember that you will use the colors that you want, and also you will use and have the opportunity to use all the material that you have left from previous videos. This material is between a white and light material, and I will use the hook of number 3.5 millimeters. Of course, we are going to need also a hair tie. So with one thread and with our hook, in this case I will start with the blue color. I will start making first 20 chains. So here we are going to count. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Okay, so then we will take the hair tie and we are going to pass it through right here. We are going to try that this strip of chains isn't in twist, and once we are sure, we are going to slip one to close the row with the hair tied inside. You see, then we will go up with 3 chains, and now in each space we are going to start making a double crochet. Please make sure that you always insert the hook in the same space, taking both parts of the chain, like this. We are going to continue making 1 double crochet in each space, like this, the whole row. And at the end we must have 20 double crochet. Well, at the end of the row we are going to slip one to close. Now we are going to change color. I will use a white thread. Let me show you. Okay, so at the end we won't got this thread. We will leave it right there in hold, and now we are going to put in the white thread here. Okay, so we won't got it. We are going to make a knot right there and leave it in hold. So now in this row we are going to use only the white thread, and the stitch will be like this. We will make first a single crochet in the first stitch, then 1, 2, 3 chains. We will skip 1, 2, and in the third we will insert the hook, and right there we are going to make a single crochet. Then 3 chains, again skip 2, and in the third space a single crochet. Again 3 chains, we will skip 3 and single crochet. And like this is how we are going to continue the whole row and all around. And this will simulate the stars of the flag. And well, I want to finish the row with you so you can see exactly how it is. So for example, again, here we are going to make 3 chains, then we will skip 3 and a single crochet. So here we are almost at the end of the row. So again 3 chains, and here we are going to slip 1 to close. And remember that we had this extra thread. Okay, let me have it. So now with this thread that we leave in hold, remember that we leave the blue color in hold, We will slip one to continue and start the row right here. Now we will go up with 3 chains, and inside we are going to make 3 double crochet, all of them together in the same place. So the first chains that we made at the beginning will count as 1 double crochet, but in the coming spaces we are going to make 3 double crochet in each space. You see? Like this is how we are going to continue the whole row. Then, as you could see, we leave and hold the white thread, and we are going to alternate the rows. At the end, we are going to make the row of single crochet and 3 chains. And like this, we are going to continue making more rows. And well, here I did continue making more rows. I follow the series, and here, for example, I will finish the row of 3 chains and single crochet, and then I will finish making 1 row more with blue. So we have 10 rows in blue and 9 rows in white. Okay, and then at the end we are going to when we finish to make this blue row, we are going to change. For example, here we finished to use the white thread, so we are going to cut and slip one to close. Later, with an embroidery needle, we are going to hide it. So we are going to continue and finish this last row with the blue thread. Then at the end of this row, we are going to change color, and then in the other half of the scrunchie, we are going to use red and white. We are going to make the strips of the flag. And well, I know that I have friends that watch my videos from different parts of the world, okay? Today I wanted to dedicate this video for the people that watch my videos in United States, okay? I know that I have a lot of friends from there, so I wanted to give this gift and dedicate this beautiful video for all of you. But remember that if you watch this video from other part of the world and you wish to make this scrunchie, well, you can use this idea and change the colors for the color of your flag, or as I was telling you at the beginning, you can use the colors that you have left from previous videos and the material that you have gathered and you don't know what to do. Well, I think that this is an amazing idea where you can use them and make your own combinations and use all of them. Also, I think that you can invite your kids to make this idea with you, and for this vacation I think that it's a perfect opportunity to be to be busy and occupied, okay? And I think that it will be excellent for them because it's so easy to make. So I hope that you make this activity with your kids and also that you start your own business. I think that this idea will be perfect to sell with all your friends or also as a gift too. And well, I thinking that I shouldn't cut the white thread because in the next half I will, but well, I already did it. So for the next time, and now you know. So well, now we won't use anymore this blue thread, so we are going to cut it. And then with embroidery needle, or if you don't have one, you can use the hook to hide this thread. Remember that I always tell you that it's very important that you hide these threads. If you have this blue thread, well, hide it in the blue area so you can perfectly blend it. So now here we are going to insert this thread and we are going to hide it through this area, and now we are ready to cut. And it's important that in the wrong side you burn these last tips. Well, this you will make sure that the stitches won't undo and won't damage. Well, now we have the first half of this scrunchie, so I will show you how we are going to make the second half. Remember that here I want to simulate the flag of USA, so I'm using the colors, and now in this second half I will make the strips with white and red, but you can continue using the colors that you want or this stitch if you want. So now here we are going to use this white, we will go up with 3 chains, and we are going to start this coming row where we finished, and we are going to make 1 double crochet in each space. Please make sure that you always take the stitch the same way, 1 in each stitch, taking both parts of the chain like this. And well, here I will show you how did I finished. So at the end we are going to slip 1 to close, and now I will add this thread in red. So I will make a knot right here. Remember that at the end we are going to hide all these threads the same way like I taught you. So we are going to make a knot right here, and we are going to leave in half the white thread. We are going to leave them behind, and now we are going to continue. With this red thread we are going to continue making double crochet. So we will go up with 3 chains, and now in each stitch, again taking both parts of the chain, we are going to make 1 double crochet, and we are going to make like this the same number of rows that we made for the first part. So we are going to make 10 rows in white and 10 rows in red. Okay, we are going to alternate the colors until we close the scrunchie. Well, I want to show you quick how do I change color. And for example, here we are finishing this row with the red color. So right away I will slip 1 to close with the next thread, in this case with the white thread, and right away I will go up with 3 chains and I will continue. And as you could see here behind, I have these threads in hold, and this is how I will alternate the colors. Well, look, here at the end I have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and I want to finish the 10th rows the same way like I started, with the white color. So I will cut the red thread because we won't use it anymore. Remember that here we are going to make a knot here behind. Later with embroidery needle we are going to hide all these threads, and also I will show you how we are going to sew to join this scrunchie. Look how beautiful. Here I want to show you a quick trick. And what do you think if while we crochet the last row we joined? So I will show you how we can join with the last row. So here while we make this row, for example, here I went up with 3 chains, and we will go in order. Here is where we started the first row. We are going to take this stitch and slip 1. Then we are going to come back and complete the stitch and the row. So here we are going to make the next double crochet. We are going to make 2 and 3. Then we are going to count 1, 2 and 3 spaces and slip 1 to close. Then we are going to come back to complete the row, and we are going to make 3 double crochet, remember 1 in each space, and then we are going to count 1, 2 and 3. We will insert the hook and slip 1, and we are going to come back and complete the row right here. If you want, and if you find this step difficult, remember that you can sew with an embroidery needle and with 1 thread. Here I finished the row, and at the end we are going to slip 1 to close. At the end, remember, we are going to hide this thread with embroidery needle, and this scrunchie is ready. And well, now let's see how it looks. I hope that you have enjoyed making it with me. And well, this is the final result. I hope that you have enjoyed making it with me. I hope that you enjoyed this special day, this coming 4th of July, and that you celebrate it with your family and with all your friends. And I think they will be an amazing detail that you make them for them. But well, please don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to leave me a comment, and don't forget to share this video if you like it. Take care.